Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Always avoid wooden utensils in your dishwasher. They can warp and crack, damaging both the utensils and your machine. Sharp knives should also be hand-washed to keep blades sharp and protect your racks. And insulated mugs or plastic containers not labeled dishwasher safe can melt or trap water, reducing cleaning efficiency. These items consistently harm your dishwasher's performance, so hand washing is the safest choice.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.